Kia ora. Again, a short little quick video on the inverting op-amp circuit, okay? The inverting, what does that mean? Well, we know the non-inverting, what happened there was as the voltage on the input went up, the output went up. So I guess what's going to happen here is on the inverting one, that as the output voltage goes up, as the input voltage goes up, the output voltage is going to go down. So let's just have a look and see that. What can we see here? Okay, so what we've got is we've got an input voltage which is going from minus 1.5 to plus 1.5. We've got an op-amp which is connected to minus 15 to plus 15. And we've got a voltage here of 143 millivolts. And we've got an output voltage of minus 1.43 volts. So what this is doing here is saying that this voltage here is inverting it. So but have a look at this. As this voltage here increases, right, so I'm now at 239.5, this voltage here is actually going more negative, okay? So as this goes more positive, the output voltage, watching this at the same time as me moving the input, what happens here is it goes more negative as this goes more positive. And so as this goes down, right, and ultimately it will go through 0 volts, this voltage on the output is also coming closer to 0 volts, but from the opposite direction. So it's inverting it, okay? And you'll see what happens when you adjust this control. Now then, again, what we've got is a negative feedback circuit here, but the input voltage and the feedback are connected to the inverting input. So feedback is always, if it's negative feedback, is always connected to the inverting input. So that means that it slows the op-amp down, okay? That's sort of how I described it in the notes a bit. This input here is connected to 0, so everything here is with regard to 0, okay? So both the feedback and the input voltage are connected to this, which makes it just a subtle bit more complicated to do the analysis, but I've done a video on that too. So hopefully this will help you just engage with this and think about what the inverting amplifier does, okay? So as the input voltage goes up, the output voltage goes down, okay? And there's a change in polarity there that you've got to be aware of. Cool, hopefully that's of use to you. Cheers.